Lately, these videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels are getting millions upon millions upon millions of views, despite being extremely simple to make. These YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok channels are earning serious money with these simple videos. If you want to become popular on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you should watch this video. This channel was started on April 20th and already has around 600,000 subscribers, and it's making money. So in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to make videos like this using AI. Let me show you a sample video.
A girl came skipping home from school one day. "Mommy, Mommy," she yelled. "We were counting today, and all the other kids could only count to 4, but I counted to 10. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good," said her mother. "Is it because I'm blonde, Mommy?" "Yes, it's because you're blonde," her mother replied. The next day, the girl came skipping home from school.
Let's dive into the easy steps of making these cool videos. Trust me, it's a breeze. First off, snag some chill videos. Head over to YouTube and type in satisfying videos. Then, flex that filter muscle and choose creative comments. This way, you're in the clear on the copyright front. Everything's fair game. Now pick any video that tickles your fancy, whether it's a quick snippet or a longer piece. No stress, just pick what vibes with you. Once you've got your chosen video, hit that share button and copy the link. Easy peasy, right? Time to snag that video for your masterpiece. Open up your browser and look up any YouTube video downloader. Pick one, anyone, and paste that link you copied earlier. Give it a click and voila, you've got your video. Now we're moving on to step 2. All you gotta do is open your internet browser and type in Google Bard. It's like a cool tool that's kind of like ChatGPT, but it grabs the latest info from other smart computer writers. Once you're on Google Bard, let's ask it to whip up a 60-second short and funny story. But here's the twist. It needs to sound like it's made for a 5th grader. Exciting, right? Now give it a moment and ta-da, Bard is done working its magic. But hold on. Before you wrap it up, take a peek at the story Bard wrote. Give it a once-over, make any changes you like, and if it makes you laugh or smile, then you're all set. So, after Bard does its thing and you've checked the story, you're good to go. Easy peasy, right? Let's move on to the next step. We'll be using a tool called 11 Labs for voiceover. The cool part is, it's free for 11 laps. Think of laps like rounds. I've tested several AI voiceover options, and 11 Labs stands out for its ability to create natural-sounding speech using the most advanced AI voice technology. You can whip up AI voices in minutes and turn text into speech in any language. This AI voice generator supports 29 languages with diverse accents. You can even clone your voice to make a digital one that sounds just like a real person. But there's a catch. With the free version, you can only use it up to 10,000 characters per month. That roughly translates to 4 videos a month. Now, if you want to be more consistent and upload more content to grow faster, you might need to upgrade to their paid plans. But don't worry, the paid plans are super affordable, starting at just $1 or $5. It's a tiny investment in your business. I've dropped a link in the description below for you to use 11 Labs for free. Moving on, let's pick an avatar for our AI voice. You don't have to try all the voices. There's an explanation for each one. It tells you if it's good for a story, a narrator, or TV. For this video, I'm going to choose this one. Now let's copy and paste the script and wait for 11 Labs to work its magic. And voila, we've got the perfect voice for our video. After we've generated, now let's move on to step 4, video editing. I'll be using CapCut for this because it's a free and awesome tool. I like CapCut. So first, let's bring the voiceover to the timeline. Next, we want to clean up the voiceover. Remove any silences or gaps to keep it smooth. Now let's set the video ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for most platforms. Add the downloaded video to the timeline. If the video has audio, drop that audio down to 0. If the video is longer than the voiceover, trim it at the end. If the audio is longer, use the same process and add another video until the voiceover finishes. Now let's generate automatic captions using CapCut. After that, we can customize them to make sure they're just right. Lastly, let's add some background music from the YouTube audio library. And there you have it. We're done with video editing. Now let's check out what we've created.
The lunch bell shrieked like a surprised parrot, and Timmy bolted. Not because he loved mystery meat surprise, oh no. Today's lunch was PB&J Day, Timmy's arch nemesis. But Timmy had a plan, hatched with the cunning of a goldfish wearing a graduation cap. He sidled up to Beatrice, the cafeteria's resident broccoli enthusiast. "Beatrice," he whispered, eyes wide, "the lunch lady accidentally poured super glue in the peanut butter." Beatrice's face contorted like a lemon trying to do yoga. "Ew, but I love broccoli," Timmy grinned. "Exactly. Now everyone will be too scared to eat PB&J, and there'll be mountains of broccoli left for you." Beatrice beamed, broccoli florets twitching with glee. Timmy snuck back to his seat, picturing a cafeteria swimming in green, Beatrice the triumphant queen.